Now, what are some of the resources they can go to? Do they just get back to Indeed, LinkedIn, looking for jobs? Do they prep the resume? What are the resources out there?
I definitely think there's more resources than just those websites, right?
Hmm. Right.
If you're working for a tech company, right,
Hmm.
and especially if you're placed onto like one of those garden leave periods,
Hmm.
one resource would be internal opportunities, right?
Hmm.
Like often there are other roles that may not be like your exact role that was cut, but like
Hmm.
an adjacent role or an ancillary role. And it may be like in the same office or region that you're located. Maybe it's in a different location. But those sort of internal ancillary roles sometimes can be almost like an escape hatch for you, right? Because you're already in the company. You may, for example, already know people that work on those particular teams. And it may be an option of essentially laddering into these internal roles instead of getting laid off. So that's one resource to consider, right? Another resource that I highly suggest you consider is taking stock of your professional network, right? A lot of us in the tech industry may have worked for years or decades. So we would know people and encountered a lot of good people in those years. These people could be your network, right? Try to send out feelers. You could even use sites like LinkedIn, right? Or email. Reach out to your network, people who are working sort of like the middle levels or even people working at the decision-making layers and see, hey, do they have opportunities? And some of the time, at least, right, they may be aware of like internal opportunities in their companies. And if they give sort of like a good reference, they may sort of give you this initial little push to kick down the door and get a position in those companies. So your own professional network, in my opinion, is like a huge resource as well.
Yeah.
Some other resources is, of course, you have all those big job boards, right? Like you can apply for LinkedIn, right? But there's also things like your local jobs, career fairs, right? Like your local job boards. You can also potentially have your state government. They also sometimes have job boards where there are certain sort of regulated opportunities that are available that you can search for as well. So these are all kind of like resources that are sort of that you can take action on. But there's other resources as well beyond just finding jobs, right? Sometimes your employer may offer you outplacement services, right? So think of these as companies whose job is to help you find a job. So
Right.
they could do things like polish your resume, make it have keywords so that it'll pass all those AI screeners when you submit your resume. They
Right.
may help you with resume interview prep and so on.